is Nina. Hello and welcome again on nowiknow channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix invite and add friends to Facebook page is not working. So let's get started. Well, after getting the app, and when you tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and then tap on pages, here I'm going to choose a random page, for example, this one. Now, let's suppose that you're trying to invite or add more people and it's just not working. So, here there are two main reasons. The first one, if the page is private and you're not the admin of the page, then you can't add or invite any member. So, in order to be able to add and invite new members, then you must be the admin of the page. And another thing, there's a limit on how many people that you can add. So if you reach that limit, then you can't add more than that member. Now to fix that problem, then go to settings. After that, scroll all the way down and tap on apps option. Here, a list of options will appear, so choose the second option, manage apps. Now look for Facebook app. Now tap on clear data, then clear cache. So this won't delete any of your personal information on Facebook, so it just reset the app. And this is it. This is how to fix add and invite friends to Facebook page is not working. Thanks for watching. See ya.